So I'm Dr. Srividya, and I'm really happy to have attended this course. This is because one thing is, it was explained very scientifically, which even, satisfied the doctor's mind. And one more thing which was very effective, which I felt was that whenever a teacher, he himself practices what he preaches, then the teachings, the students can learn it more effectively. And this is what I really experienced, because I've heard so many lectures from so many different people, but because our teacher here, our guru here, Dr. Madhav Kirti, who has been practicing every single thing what he is teaching us, we've been able to bring about those changes very naturally and very systematically into our lives also. Even within the duration of this 15-day course, which is really helpful, and everything was explained very beautifully. And I, as a doctor, would highly recommend this course. It's a wonderful course, and everyone should definitely attend it to gain a higher knowledge and a deeper perspective into the functioning of the mind, body, and soul. Thank you so much.
My name is Dr. Alankrit, and I am very grateful to His Grace Madhav Kirti Prabhuji. Most of the points, whichever has to be covered from the medical side of perspective, has already been spoken by my good wife Rasika Radhe Devidasi. What I would like to speak mainly is the aspect which the doctor sees from the other side. Now, all of us in this particular course, we have come to basically gain knowledge about how we can improve ourselves. But people like us who are already doctors, for us, this is not something outwardly. It is just a refreshment and understanding of whatever already we have an idea, but in a multiple. Now, if you come to me, because it's a course wherein we had to speak about our perspective about it, I will try to tell you, not just to praise the course, but I will tell you a little fact which is very much known in the medical field. First thing, all doctors at some grassroots level, they are proud of their knowledge. It is a fact, including me also. I am honestly telling you this because by Krishna's mercy, we have been taught that we should be humble. So let me at least show that sign of humility by telling that please bless me that I do not become proud. Second thing is, as a doctor, I myself have observed when the principle which we learn, now today we learned 10 principles. In one of the principles very clearly states that it is not just the body, it's also the mind and the soul. Now this is something which, being a devotee of the Lord, we also try to do it. Now many times I myself have converted many people in my own hospital from non-vegetarians to vegetarians. Many people, my own wife has given them training that they have left their alcohol habit. Now, we are not naturopaths, we are simply allopaths, but we know that this is a fact. So this is nothing new for us to learn, that please, what is important is that how to apply this whole principle holistically. We and all only treat the body. There is no concept of soul at all. For that matter, even in psychiatry, there is the word psycho itself means, the psyche itself indicates mind, but all the tablets are given to treat the brain. Brain and mind are completely different. There is no entity. नाम है mental, नाम है mind, लेकिन वो mind कभी उन्होंने, first of all, it's a subtle system. Subtlety पे तो allopath believe करता ही नहीं है. It is only gross. तो उसके ऊपर हम मेंशन करते हैं गिविंग ट्रीटमेंट टू द माइंड, लेकिन ट्रीटमेंट जाता है ब्रेन को. उसके लिए बहुत सारे चैनल्स निकाल देंगे. दे कैन शो कॉर्टिको स्पाइनल ट्रैक्ट, स्पाइनोथैलेमिक ट्रैक्ट, 1000 अगर हम खोल देंगे ना, पूरा एमआरआई पढ़ा सकता हूं मैं 10 मिनट में. मेरी वाइफ एक्सपर्ट है इसमें. बट हम कर क्या रहे हैं? हमको आके माइंड को ट्रीट करना है ना. हम बॉडी के नाम पे, हम आके माइंड के नाम पे बॉडी को दे रहे हैं. ब्रेन इज, बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ हैव डन पोस्टमार्टम, सो हम लोगों को पता है द डेड बॉडी इज हैविंग अ ब्रेन. ऐसा नहीं कि वो माइंड है, बट हम लोग व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? वी आर नॉट ट्रीटिंग द पेशेंट होलिस्टिकली. Now the principle which I was very fascinated. Second thing is detoxing. Now as doctors, whatever said and done, unless I have a career transition in my life, my situation is very bad. anytime call can come. In fact, you must have observed also, Prabhu might be telling, no, Hare Krishna, Alankar Prabhuji has come. Now I'll come always late only to the class. By default, it is like that because kuch bhi rahega, I get lost in work. But the principle of detoxing, the principle of, now we are doing fasting, but what is the nature, what is the underlying mechanism of that fasting, how exactly we can correlate with Krishna conscious principle, how exactly Shastras are involved in that. Now that is a cure which we want to do. Many times, most of the time, जब भी patient हमारे पास आते हैं, they are not seeking a direct solution. A plus B is equal to C, or 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. They're not expecting that, but they're expecting that somebody try to understand what is their pain. And that pain, if we are not able to tell them at a level of humanity, basic humanity name it in karenge, then the whole topic of learning of how he's going to educate, the whole self-confidence, patient should have a self-confidence that he can even take the same medication, which Prabhu always mentions that, he was mentioning 2 days back, Guru Kripa, Krishna Kripa, then Shastra Kripa, what is self-Kripa? That also is mentioned, no, that self-mercy, they may not have that. So that is something which we have to understand. I'm very, very grateful. This all started because of my mother, Her Grace Sachiv Mataji, and only from her we could get this link. And I'm very, very grateful that I've attended Madhav Kirti Prabhuji's lecture. And I offer my humble obeisances to him. And Prabhuji, in the future, please take me under your wing so that I can also, please bless me, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.